Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Grandpa's weeder. It's a cool old thing. Even comes with directions. Center it over the weed, press down, lean back. That's how it works. Center it over the weed, press down, and lean back. Yanks it right up out of the grass. Every time. What did I pick up at the restore? Why, Grandpa's weeder, of course. It even has directions on the handle. Center it over the weed, press down, lean. I center it over the weed, press down on the handle. You can step on this too. Helps drive it into hard ground. Then just lean forward. Pulls it right up by the roots. And no bending. Now, I'm not intending to walk around the yard and do this all day long just to get rid of these. Actually, in my yard, that's about the only green stuff that I got. But it does work. First time, every time. Pretty cool. And the best price of it all cost me $1 for the fun of having it. So if you've got a few weeds in your yard or your garden that you'd like to get rid of, get you a Grandpa's weeder. Now it's going to take you time. It's not quick. It's not an immediate thing, but it does work. Every time. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.